Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Melanie and I do a variety of videos. Today's video is a B&M haul. I got 14 items. It came to £23.47. There's two things missing, a Cafito caramel macchiato and a mousse shot. It's like an energy drink shot thing. It wasn't easy to drink, but I suddenly felt exhausted. I think it gave me a bit of energy, but I'm still feeling quite tired. Everything else is here, I believe. So I got Cadbury Delights. I had one with my coffee and my shot. I really like them. Kind of standard Dr. Pepper. I don't know if I picked it off the shelf like that or if I've done that since. I wish I'd got a little bottle of it. Love them. I think they were £1. Coca noodles in stir fry. My favourite one, or spicy stir fry, my favourite one's the chicken. I think it was like 45p. I used to love Collab dry shampoo. Not had it in ages. I don't think they still do the scents that they launched with. But I saw this, I was like, I actually was looking for eye cream. I can't find an eye cream anywhere. I saw a really cheap eye cream, but I didn't want a really super cheap one. But I got this. I haven't smelled it, but based on the other products that I've had, the other dry shampoos, I know I'm going to like it. So I nearly said I did burn all my baking trays when I moved. No, I didn't. I binned them all. So I've just got, if you watched a food haul last week, I got a baking tray. Did I get a baking tray last week? Or whenever I got it, I don't even remember. It was last week, I think. I've picked up this roaster. I'm going to get a few more as and when I need them, but this is definitely an essential thing that I will use. Obviously, I've already shown that. I got these for over one of the bathroom doors because I want something to hang dressing gown off, robes, whatever, off on the back of the door. So I hope they fit. I mean, the good thing about these is I can try them without taking them off. They came in black as well, but I wanted white. I think there were only 2 white packs left, but there were loads of black ones. But I've got white stuff in that particular bathroom, so that's why I went for white. I got cod knots for the dog. She's never had them before. I got the Fairy Max Power because it was only like £1.39. I don't think it's the giant one, and I've never tried it before, so I wanted to get it. A bottle of Mogu in blackcurrant, some suet pellets with mealworm for the, I nearly said for my dog then. I mean, well, she would actually eat them, but they're not for the dog. It was buy a kilogram, get half a kilogram free. I don't know what it says it on it, but it says it somewhere. I think at the top. So it's 1.5 kilograms for £2. And then I got this Linen Effect light shade in a greyish colour for one of the bedrooms, not mine. I want to see if it's big enough because it's not a really big one. It's 9 inches. Then I know what size to get for the other rooms. I mean, this isn't for my bedroom. My bedroom's a lot bigger. So I feel like I need the next size up. But this goes with the bedroom colour that I painted because I decorated a lot of rooms so no one could look for pictures online of where I live because I've moved for safety reasons. But yeah, I thought that's not bad for £4. And I think, or believe, that's everything I've got. Any questions, let me know. If you're new here, please subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button to get an alert when I upload. Have an amazing day, and I'm sure I'll be back very soon with another B&M haul. Thank you for watching.